Hi, my name is Tim Harbage. I'm the owner and brewmaster of Bright Spark Brewing, and we're very excited to invite you here. Well, we just opened in November of 2022, so we're a mere 8 months old now. Made it so far. Probably the newest brewery in Ventura, us and Bellringer. So the X Games beer that we made, it's a double IPA with New Zealand hops, which is a recipe written by our lead brewer, Mike Opalek, who happens to be one of the first participants in the Extreme Games back in 1995, which is why we've named it Kiwi Flip, and it has a really heavy, peachy stone fruit nose on it, which is really fun. Label is designed by my wife, Linzy Mahoney, who does all of our branding and marketing here. And she tried to make it a fun wallpaper style. There's 3 basic elements to it. There's the skateboard, which the trick is named after. There's the palm tree, which represents California. And then there's the waves, which represents, to me, Ventura here, one of the best surf spots in California. Yeah, we are releasing our Kiwi Flip Double IPA X Games beer today on tap. And then we will be canning it Monday, July 10th, and releasing it on cans, our first canned beer, July 11th, which we're incredibly excited about, and throughout the X Games weekend, obviously.